In here, we'll guide you through the App Admin section in the Content Manager. This feature is available to app owners and app managers, allowing them to manage and add admins to their app. In the App Admin section, you'll see a table listing all the existing admins assigned to your app. Each entry displays the name and email address of an admin, making it easy to see who currently has access. To add a new admin, click the plus New Admin button in the top right corner. This opens a form where you can enter the name and email address of the new admin. After entering the details, select the admin role you'd like to assign. This ensures the new admin has the right level of access for managing your app. Once everything is filled out, click Send Invite. The invited admin will receive an email, allowing them to join and start managing the app. And that's how you manage admins in the Appspotr Content Manager. With a few simple steps, you can assign roles and bring new team members on board.